In this video, we will show you how to embed on Squarespace website. In here, we will try to embed video and playlist from YouTube. First, we need to go to our dashboard and go to our website. In here, for example, we want to embed on page. From empty page, we can edit and add section. We can add a blank section in here. After that, to embed, there is two methods. First, we can using embed block, or we can using code block. Let's try using embed block. Type embed in here, and you will find there is embed. You can double click, and here you can see there is URL that you can copy and paste in here. Let's copy the video from YouTube. Voila, you can see here there is embed successfully. Using first method or using embed block, you can also custom feature image. If you want your own image in here, you can click add image. Second, we can embed using code block. This is really helpful if we embed like playlist or another HTML code. Please click add block and type in here is code. You can see here, this is the code. You can click this pencil icon and you can delete this. Let's try using playlist on YouTube. And to embed the playlist, you can click the share button on YouTube page, and you can click embed button, and you can copy this. You can paste on the code block on Squarespace, and you can click close. Okay, now your embed is look like this. This is with embed block, and this is with code block. If you can see here, the line for code block is different with the width of the video. You can just click this and scroll down in here, because the code for embed is using with 560, and if you change into 600, it also the line is different again. So is okay in here. It is not a problem. And that's all tutorial how to embed on Squarespace website. Hope this video helpful for you.